I'm doing a $3 salad dressing field agent gig. I'm going to record it with my meta glasses, and you can see if this is a side hustle that's worth it. I'll explain exactly what I had to do, and this is in real time, the exact time it took me to complete the gig. I'm not going to edit or speed anything up. So the first question is going to be the salad dressings and toppings. So like the crispy onions and stuff that go on salads, and then the different like Italian dressings, different type of dressings. So I found the aisle where it was, and then now I'm taking the first picture. So all you have to do is take a straight 4-foot section picture. So there's all these 4-foot sections. You're just going to take a picture of each and then a picture of the displays. So I saw in that bin was considered a display of salad dressing. So now I'm going to the next question. It asked if there was any displays, and I answer yes, and I take this quick picture of the display, and I move on to the next one. The next one is going to be the coffee. So this one's kind of annoying because you have to walk from aisle to aisle, so it's a lot of steps, and it takes a little bit of time. This same gig that I did a couple days ago at Walgreens took like so much less time because everything was in one section, but this is a grocery store, so all the aisles are going to be different types of food and stuff. I was really happy that I was able to do this example for you guys. And the most common question I get asked is, what if an employee is in the aisle? What if they ask you what you're doing and tell you to leave? And some people are nervous about that. So I'm going to show you exactly what I do in that situation. So I'm taking these pictures. You do kind of stand out, even though I am discreet and quick with these pictures. So I pretend I'm on a FaceTime call with my mom, and it works every time.
Yeah, Mom, they have this type of coffee. They do have Folgers too. I don't drink coffee. Which one do you want me to buy? They have that. How am I supposed to know, Mom? They have some more over here.
And then there was those bins with the coffee in them. So I answered that. And now I'm going to have to go to a whole nother part of the store to get the pictures of the bottled and canned non-refrigerated coffee, like those Starbucks drinks. So usually they're by like the sports drinks and energy drinks. So I found that section, and now I'm going there. So it's a little bit random that they ask for salad dressings and coffee, but that's how it goes. So I found where the coffee was, and then now the next question is going to be the maple syrup, which again is super random, but I remember seeing it kind of by the salad dressing. So I'm going over there now, and I know it's not going to be a big section. I think it was just like 1 or 2 pictures. As I was walking, I saw another display for the coffees. So you can go back in the app if you missed anything, but try to be honest and answer and get the pictures of the displays if it's there. If I didn't take that picture, they probably wouldn't have noticed, but I try to do it as best that I can, because if they get a lot of bad information, then they might not offer these gigs anymore. So here's the maple syrup, 2 pictures, and then that's it. I was done. It took about 3.5-4 minutes, and then there's my wife, and we will finish our food shopping.